Hello everyone. Today we discuss classification of algae. So first of all, what do you mean by algae? Algae exist in environments ranging from oceans, rivers and lakes to ponds, brackish waters and even snow. Algae are usually green, but they can be found in a variety of different colors. For instance, algae living in a snow contain carotenoid pigment in addition to chlorophyll, hence giving the surrounding snow a distinctive red color. Most algae require a moist or watery environment, hence they are ubiquitous near or inside water bodies. Anatomically, they are similar to another major group of photosynthetic organisms, the land plants. Algae lack many structural components typically present in plants such as true stems, shoots and leaves. Furthermore, they also do not have vascular tissues to circulate essential nutrients and water throughout their body. Characters of algae. Specific general characteristics of algae are common to plants as well as animals. For instance, algae can photosynthesize like plants and they possess specialized structures and cell organelles like centrioles and flagella found only in animals. Algae are photosynthetic organisms. Algae can be either unicellular or multicellular organisms. Algae lack a well-defined body, so structures like roots, stems or leaves are absent. Algae are found where there is adequate moisture. Reproduction in algae occurs in both asexual and sexual forms. Asexual reproduction occurs by spore formation. Algae are free living, although some can form a symbiotic relationship with other organisms. For diverse reasons, the taxonomy of algae is not settled yet. There is still an ongoing battle about the composition of eukaryotic supergroups. For example, and until that is resolved, it can be hard to define taxonomic levels included with supergroups. Basis for classification of algae. The primary classification of algae is based on the following 5 criteria: photosynthetic apparatus and pigments, nature of reserve food, nature of cell wall components, type, number and attachment of flagella and cell structure. First of all, we discuss about different classification systems proposed as Affey-Frisch classification, Smith's classification, round system of classification, Pold and Vinage classification and Robert Edward Lee's classification. Now, classification of algae proposed by Affey-Frisch in 1935. The most comprehensive and authoritative classification of algae was given by Affey-Frisch in 1935 in his book The Structure and Reproduction of the Alga. His classification was based on such criteria as pigmentation, types of flagella, assimilatory products, thallus structure and methods of reproduction. Affey-Frisch divided algae into 11 classes on following basis: number and mode of attachment of flagella in the motile cells, thallus structure, chemical nature of pigments, reserve food materials, reproduction methods and variation in the life cycles. Its outline of Frisch system of classification of alga. He divided algae into 11 classes such as Chlorophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, Chloromonadinae, Eugleniae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Mixophyceae. Now, Smith's classification. G. M. Smith in 1950 classified alga into 7 divisions. These divisions include one or more classes. He included certain alga of uncertain position into Chloromonadales and Cryptophyceae. These divisions are as Chlorophyta, Chrysophyta, Pyrophyta, Euglenophyta, Phaeophyta, Rhodophyta and Cyanophyta. Round system of classification. As round divided alga into two divisions, Prokaryota and Eukaryota. And accordingly classification of algae into Chlorophyta, Euglenophyta, Charophyta, Parsinophyta, Xanthophyta, Haptophyta, Dinophyta, Bacillariophyta, Chrysophyta, Phaeophyta, Rhodophyta and Cryptophyta. Bold and Viney's classification. Bold and Viney's recognized 10 divisions of algae retaining the nomenclature given by Peppenfuss in 1946 except for blue-green algae. They considered Cyanophyceae as a division and called it Cyanochlorantha, whereas Peppenfuss had included it in phylum Schizophyta as a class. According to system of Bold and Viney's classification, 10 divisions of algae are as Cyanophyta or blue-green algae. Prochlorophyta includes single genus, that is Prochloron. Chlorophyta, green algae. Charophyta includes stoneworts. Euglenophyta, Phaeophyta, brown algae. Golden and yellow green algae included in Chrysophyta. Dinoflagellates in Pyrophyta. Cryptophyta and red algae in Rhodophyta. Robert Edward Lee's classification. Robert Edward Lees in 1989 divided the alga based on evolution and formed 4 evolutionary groups of algae, which are further divided into 15 divisions. These 4 evolutionary groups are as prokaryotic algae or Cyanophyta, eukaryotic alga with chloroplasts surrounded only by the 2 membranes of the chloroplast envelope, includes Glaucophyta, Rhodophyta and Chlorophyta. Third group is eukaryotic algae with chloroplast surrounded only by 1 membrane of chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, includes Euglenophyta and Dinophyta. And fourth group, according to Robert Edwards Lee's classification, algae which have 2 membranes of chloroplast and endoplasmic reticulum, that is Cryptophyta and Heterocontophyta. These are the comparative classification of Fritsch-Goldwyn system and Lee's system of classification. Some representative genera of the different algal groups are mentioned here in this table. The alga are polyphyletic in origin. Several independent evolutionary lines have resulted in their development. One such line evolved into the green algae, which include both unicellular representatives and multicellular filamentous or parenchymatous forms. These characters include the photosynthetic pigments, nature of photosynthetic rhizomaterials, the composition of cell wall or absence of cell wall, cellular and thallus morphology and reproductive behavior. Algal groups are mentioned here in this table. Let's see this table. Various independent evolutionary lines have resulted in the development of alga. Green algae, which include both unicellular and multicellular filamentous and parenchymatous forms. The primitive members like Chlamydomonas and related genera are provided with features such as eye spot and contractile vacuoles, which are reminiscent of protozoal characters. The green alga with chlorophyll A and B are possible progenitors of green plants. The red alga represent a different line of evolution. The absence of any motile cell in their life cycle and presence of phycobilic proteins are unique features of the red alga. However, they share these two characters with the cyanobacteria. The brown algae, together with the diatoms and golden brown algae, seem to have originated in a separate evolutionary line. The euglenoids are closer to the flagellated protozoa, but also related to the primitive green algae.